do, fam? It's your boy Product 1K back again with another banger reaction video, man. You feel me? Welcome back to the channel, man. Look, if you're new, you already know what to do. Make sure I hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell. Join the 1K fam, man. We going up. No cap. All right, y'all, without further ado, we going to hop straight into this absolute cinema. Let's go, Cowboys, man. That's what the fuck I'm talking about, man. Hey, we're going to jump straight into the reaction video, man. I really didn't watch most of this game, bruh. I came in on the back end. I don't know how my Cowboys did it. An absolutely crazy win over the Eagles, bro. But I'm going to be real. I already said that we was going to win this game. I just didn't think we was going to win it like that. I didn't think we was going to win it like that. Damn. Down 21-0 at halftime. They didn't score nothing coming out of halftime. That's what I'm talking about, man. An absolute cinema, bro.
This is all about him and his ability to rise.
An absolute cinema, bro. Thank you, Steeler Nation, for this baller. Real deal. All right, 4th and 3. I really didn't like this. But seriously, Devontae, you gotta catch that. Jake Ferguson looked like he was open over the middle, but Devontae, you gotta catch that, bro. 4th and 3. One thing I don't like that the Cowboys did, bro, came out freaking flat on defense, bro, in the first half, bro. We got down 21-0 quick as hell, and I really thought the game was over after that, bro. I'm gonna be honest, I was literally livid. I was so pissed at how flat they came out, bro. I was so mad, bro. I was so mad at this Dallas defense, bro.
That safety rotates down to take Shipley. Watch all that space created behind him with A.J. Brown on Bland. Just enough touch for Hurts to throw the ball over the top of Overshown.
A.J. balled out against us. A.J. balled out against us, bro. Somebody could have been that, letting it loose. Overthrew CeeDee Lamb, bro. I don't know what the heck the disconnect is between these two, bro. CeeDee is not having that good of a year, bro. I don't know what's going on with CD, but hopefully he'll get back right next year or in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest, bro. CD gotta get back right. Oh! Oh, he did run into the kicker,
This is
bro.
a 4th and 10. Maris Leafau, I think, is the guy that, which is apparently what happened here. Let's watch.
Yeah, Flournoy coming off the right side is going for the ball, and it's thought he had it and clips his left ankle.
Once that plant leg, that left leg for the punter is taken
can't
out,
touch the kicker at
that's a
all,
personal
dude.
foul. That's the bottom line. No matter
I
what
get
it
you
looks
trying to go
like,
for the ball,
it's
but
the right
damn,
call.
bro.
Yeah,
We
great
had just
rush,
got off of the
untouched at that
field,
point.
bro.
I don't know if he didn't
Costly
think he could
penalty,
get it,
bro.
but if he lays
We
out,
literally just got
Flournoy-
off the field, bro. Trying to slow this offense down. We can't have that. Again, I just don't understand the soft zone coverage with AJ Brown, bro. I think you gotta get hands on this dude. And then who is that on AJ?
Couple Cowboys penalties extending this drive.
Was that Rebel on AJ? You gotta make that tackle right there, bro. I mean, terrible pursuit angles, bro. Terrible pursuit angles right here. You gotta make this tackle. Yeah, that is Rebel on AJ. Right here, bro. You're back there, Osa. Okay, you wash him out. Okay, you're coming free, bro. You gotta be here. You have flow back to the inside, bro. Your flow is helping coming back to the inside. You can't not let Saquon beat you to the outside right here, bro. You have to be here, like literally here, bro. Cause Saquon gonna outrun you. That's your tackle. You got two flat right there, and Saquon beat you to the outside. Now your help has to rush over while you're trying to slow Saquon down, bro. You had help back to the inside. You should have played that more outside, bro, instead of flat. I ain't gonna lie, that was a pretty good play call right there. That was a really good play call in the red zone. I can't even mad at that. That was really good. Just wash everything out. And then, but that's just poor tackling from Kenneth Murray, bro.
But Hurts basically just
that's poor tackling from
right
Kenneth
there.
Murray.
He looked in the box and said, "No, I can."
I don't understand why Overshown wasn't in the game at that time. Good run, Javonte. Good run, Javonte. Good run, Javonte. Okay.
It's a huge series just for their overall confidence from their team.
Prescott looking, firing. It is caught.
Good catch, CD. Oh, he was down. 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 CD was down.
It felt like 17 different players touch it, but Philadelphia comes out with it in the end.
You got to bring that juice.
He's coming out flat, bro.
Scavante turned it back there. He lost the ball. That is on the floor and it's picked up by Zach Ball. This time the Eagles
I mean, I get the play caller putting somebody as explosive as him in the backfield, but Turbo, bro, you gotta hold on to the ball in that situation, bro. Literally nothing caused you to fumble. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. You better than that, bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Rebel is tall. Rebel is got like tall.
Who's wide open as a first down all the way up to midfield for Saquon.
Saquon doing that hop skip stuff, bro.
Do when you play this much zone defense.
Eagles need to get to the 40.
Need a pass rush, bro. We're not getting there. Damn, that's a great catch.
Devontae Smith on a beautiful throw. 41 yards to Devontae Smith, and so another scoring opportunity. They flip it to Smith here. Gets a block. Devontae Smith is short. He's going to have a first down inside the one.
He was calling a hell of a game. Of course,
the Lions here. They're on the half-yard line.
Eagles calling a hell of a game, bro. He was calling a hell of a game in the first half.
He's done such a great job in this run game, but your entire game plan at this point is basically thrown out the window until you can get it back to a manageable deficit.
3rd and 3. Dak over the middle, throws complete. First down as Ferguson makes
Eagles calling a hell of a game.
Everyone's got to be more effective and more efficient with what their responsibilities are.
Quick throw, 3rd down. It's caught. Pickens in traffic. Holds on inside the 35, and another 3rd down conversion.
In the red zone, we got to score here. Play action. We got Fergie. Fergie fighting for extra yards. Fergie. Good shit. Good shit. 2nd and goal. That. Oh, you cannot force that right there. That. You can't do that. And. Come on, bruh. Low-key holding. That's low-key pass interference. Bro, what? That's real life pass interference right there, bro. He was literally holding him. Holding. Look at that.
A little tug on the jersey, but not enough to get a call down.
Bro, that's ridiculous.
Really not pressured there. I'm not quite sure what he was looking at.
I don't know. CD was bracketed right there too, bro. I didn't agree with that though, but that definitely should have been defensive holding.
Cowboys send 4.
It's all good. No pass rush. Oh, whoa. Who's that on the ground? Who's that on the ground?
Cowboys send 4.
Oh,
Stone's
shit.
picked up. Hurts thinking deep, throwing deep.
Quinn Williams good, bro. I think he just got the wind knocked out of him. He all right?
So was Donovan Wilson in the
Not for the home team.
Cowboys looking to get back in it.
Quinn Williams got the
See what they got. Prescott, pressure right in his face. Steps away, pointing, throwing.
Good throw. Good throw. Oh my God. He's gone. Okay, Turbo. Okay.
Put yourself back on track.
Come on, man. 1st and 25. What happened?
Lamb catches. Looks for a couple blocks. CD Lamb, good catch and run.
What happened?
Prescott.
We got to score before the half. Good fucking catch, Fergie. Great throw, Dak. Put it up there to where only Fergie can go get it.
Looking for an easier way to get that LLC next to your business name? Say hello to Taylor Brands. Just
1st and goal, we got to get it.
Looking to throw, corner, touchdown, Pickens.
Okay, Pickens. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Pickens wide receiver 1, bro.
Great hands catching.
Pickens might be wide receiver 1, bro.
Pickens uses his kind of twitchiness at the line of scrimmage. Where
He might be wide receiver 1, bro. We still love CD, but shit. Pickens has been balling. He need a sack, bro.
first
We need a
down,
sack. We need to get some
Smith.
pressure on Jalen Hurts. We need to start blitzing in this half. Here we go. Good pressure. Here we go. That's what we talking about right there, baby. That's what we talking about right there, baby. Gotta get some pressure on that dude. Say what y'all want about Dak, but Dak went down is one of the best QBs in the NFL. Bam. I ain't gonna lie. Dak, when he playing behind, is one of the best QBs in the NFL. Say what y'all want. So if the Cowboys get down, you better put them away. I ain't gonna lie. You better put them away. If they're gonna be down, you better put them away. Yo, Williams. Boom! Oh, that's Mike Davis. Okay. Okay, Davis. Here we go. CD, man. How many times you gonna drop the ball this year, man? What are you doing? Come on, dog. That's not you. It should be automatic. Mr. Automatic.
Aubrey from 51. Oh, he missed it. Only the second miss all year from Aubrey. His other one was from
It just seemed like everything was not going our way this game, bro. And we still came out victorious. Everything was not going our way this game. Down 21-0 in the first half. I mean, 21-7 in the first half. Brandon Aubrey missed a tip shot kick, which he always makes. Like, what? Gotta get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Oh my gosh, the Davion. Way to close that ground. Okay, okay, Williams. Hey, running through. That's how you run through contact, bro. Devontae is a physical runner.
Eagles show blitz movement. I don't see a flag. Third down. Prescott gonna launch it, going deep. CeeDee Lamb makes the catch. Multiple flags.
Okay, Mr. Lamb. Okay, Mr. Lamb. Come on, man. First and goal. Good block, Javonte. You better put us away, because we coming back. You better put us away. You better put us away, Mr. Hurts, because we going to hit you where it hurt. You better put us away.
Runs over Makuba.
And it's 21-14 Eagles late in this third quarter.
Need some pressure, bro.
The last 5 drives, they've got 42 total yards and 1 first down. Looking to change that. The Barkley and the Cloud. Yeah, that's a good start.
Need some pressure, bro.
Second down.
Wait. Hold on. I gotta see something. I went back too far. My fault. I gotta see something. Do y'all see what my D-line is right now? Ezraku, Osa, Kenny Clark Kent, and Quinn Williams. Oh my God, I just got chills. I just got chills.
Bottom of your screen. Hurts looking that way. Throws that way and he gets one. Brown makes a connection.
Come on, bro. We gotta tackle, bro. We gotta tackle, bro.
Hurts throws caught, but short of a first down. Well short.
3rd and 12. Good job, boys. Way to get off the field. Come on, man. Come on.
Elliott gets into it.
Let's go, man! You better put us away! Down 7, going into the 4th. Dak, play action. Drops back, deep drop. He lets it go, and he's got DP, man! Oh my gosh! This dude is a baller! Thank you, Steeler Nation! Oh my goodness!
Back to the corner. Dak knows when he's down there one-on-one, and DeJean's got his back to the ball. Just throw it as high and as far as you can.
Oh my gosh! Wide receiver 1, man! Y'all better sign GP next year, bruh. Don't even franchise tag him. Dak drops back. Dak scrambles. Dak, And he's gonna walk into the end zone for the touchdown. You better put us away. Let's fucking go, man.
The entire coverage goes that way. Dak's coming out.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. When I found out the score tied, I was driving to my friend's house. I was tweaking out, bro. I was tweaking, honking my horn, everything. I was tweaking. I was going crazy, bro. No. Can't have that. Can't have that. Can't have that.
Cowboys show blitz again. Hurts is in deep.
Come on, get there. Oh.
What a play that was. Boy, it looked like he was going to be second and long. Hurts.
Pass rush. Here we go.
Flips to Barkley. Nice little play.
Oh, shit. These motherfuckers open. These niggas open. Come on, Dak. Oh, 3rd and 20, fool. What happened?
Tackled to 40 by Sidney Brown.
What happened? Why was we in 3rd and 20? Damn, that's a booming punt, bro. Down back to the 1.
And Gibson out across.
Oh! These motherfuckers open. Oh, shit. Who hit him like that? Who hit him like that? Who was that? Damn! Marquise Bell! Oh, shit! Oh, shit, Marquise Bell!
Clark and Bell.
Boom!
Biting the ball.
Damone Clark and Marquise Bell just laid the wood, fool.
Can you believe this? All these years of trying to get. Look at that.
And he was getting fucked. Yo, Clark was getting fucked.
But Clark, relentless effort.
Bro!
Just great hustle.
Boom!
And then causing a massive turnover there.
That's how you fucking do it,
Great
man.
team effort.
Boom!
What a hit by Clark.
Clark and Bell in there. Gibson is still down on the ground.
Okay!
He got
Laying the wood, shorty!
Elijah Clark, who's a rookie.
And our long snapper just recovered that jump.
When Malik Hooker got hurt.
There's help to the top.
These mother lovers hoop.
Screen.
Fourth and goal.
Sees that. Looking, nothing, in trouble, throws, caught, but short.
Why do we go for it on 4th and goal?
Doesn't know, it's incomplete, it doesn't matter. The Eagles take over.
What are we doing, man?
Hurts, far side of the field, throws.
What are we doing? Why did we just go for it on 4th and goal? I mean, I guess to put the game away, but we was okay. Let's go, Oso!
Oso, Diggy Zula for a big loss, and the Cowboys will get it back.
My D-line hooping, man. Oh, we got the ball back.
Prescott over the middle.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's all we needed. That's all we needed, baby.
They're already in field goal range.
That's all we needed, baby. Come on, Dak.
Blitz coming. Prescott
Shoot,
over
that
the
blitz
middle.
is coming.
It is
DP. Game over. Game over. Game over. Game over. Game over. You already know what's happening.
the 21.
Game over. Game over. Game over. Game over. Game over. Bye-bye.
And
Bye-bye.
he's got it. The Cowboys
That
win.
motherfucker was good
World champions.
from 60.
Who
Game
are
over.
gonna have Aubrey out there.
Game over.
The best
Bye-bye.
player in his position in the
Bye-bye,
entire league,
Eagles.
drilling at home.
I hope every Eagles fan lost all of their parlays. I hope they lost every single last one of them. I done told y'all this was going to happen. I said the Eagles wasn't that good. When you fire Kellen Moore and you hire your pass game coordinator and you wondering why you're not scoring no points in the second half, it's because he's trash. He's trash. Just like your team. Trash. Couldn't put us away. Dak Prescott got that belt and put that shit straight to ass. I done told y'all this was going to happen, bro. I done told y'all. Y'all's not that good. When it comes to playing us, y'all is not that good. We humble y'all, bring y'all down back to earth. Let y'all know that we run this shit for real. Fuck the Eagles, man.